Hi, I am Mirco. Today we are dealing with the press edge, which occurs during pre-treatment of the textiles. I want to show you why these ironing edges occur and how your customer can get rid of them very quickly. We will be doing this here at RICOH Textile Competence Center today. Why do we even have these press edges on the t-shirt in the first place? This is quite simple. The pre-treatment is sprayed on and has to be dried again somehow. We do not print wet in wet, we print dry. This way we have the choice between the oven and the hot press. My tool of choice is always the hot press. We press the fibers very flat and thus get a nice, balanced print image. Unfortunately, we cannot achieve this with an oven. As you can see, we are finished. Yet we still have the edges from the press on the t-shirt. This is no problem though, because they can easily be washed out with the fastest wash cycle. My recommendation is, put a little note for your customers aside, which says, "Wash me." Design it nicely and your customer will thank you instead of returning it. As you can see, the frame which occurred during the pre-treatment and the hot press is completely gone after the wash cycle. Information about the textiles we used, as well as everything about the machines, can be found in the description.